You are going to love the 2022 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.